Hey there, Hannah here at Delta Faucet. Today we're going to walk you through how to install the Delta HydroRain Shower Head. This installation will work for any HydroRain shower head. This product adds extra functionality without requiring any changes to your plumbing. And the best part is that this upgrade is both quick and straightforward. Let's collect the tools that you may need to install this shower head. You may need an adjustable wrench and also a towel for some light water cleanup. Okay, let's jump in. To remove your old shower head, you're gonna turn it counterclockwise by this ball joint back here. Now, I can unscrew mine with just my hand, but if you need to, you can use a wrench. And when you do that, you wanna make sure that you're hanging on to the shower arm back here so that it also doesn't unscrew from the wall. You just wanna unscrew your shower head. Now, when you take this off, there could be some water that comes out. There also may be some thread tape here on the threads of the shower arm. If there is, you wanna go ahead and clean that off, and then we'll be ready to move on to the next step. We have our shower head here, and you wanna make sure that the gasket is seated inside of the ball joint here. All right, now we're going to line this up with the threads on our shower arm. And not using any tools, we're just gonna tighten this on. You wanna make sure that you don't cross thread this and that you don't over tighten it. We just wanna make sure it's snug. All right, now mine is tight, but it's not in the correct orientation. So I don't wanna keep tightening it because I'm gonna crush the gasket inside of that ball joint. So I have an adjustable wrench that I've gone ahead and covered with electrical tape so that I don't scratch the finish on my shower head. And I'm gonna line it up with these two flat spots here on my ball joint so I can keep that ball joint in place while I go ahead and straighten up my shower head. Okay, that looks good. And now we're ready to move on to the next step. Next, we're going to install our hose. Now, the first thing to check is to make sure that there's a gasket seated in either side of your hose. Now, mine came pre-installed, but if yours didn't at home, you'll just press them into place until they're both properly seated. All right, we're gonna take the side with the hex nut on it, and we're going to hand screw it onto our shower head. You just wanna make sure that that's snug and don't over tighten it. Now the other end with the conical nut on it is gonna go on your hand shower. And again, we're just gonna hand screw this on until it's tight. Now to dock it, you can just press it right up into the tabs on your shower head. And to undock it, you just pull it towards you. And the last step is to turn on the water and check for leaks at all your connections. And that wraps up our install. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to the Delta Faucet customer service team. They're more than happy to help.